What's up, you guys?
Let's line these up.
I think 4 is wrong.
I don't.
Should just be together like they were before.
What's up, you guys? We are back in New York. Renovations are still going on, but we figured we'd take this moment to kind of work on some of our guest bedrooms, starting with the room Mariah always stays in.
She's done so many great things for this
Yeah.
house, so we thought we would
Amazing.
surprise her with a couple new items in her room, and we would love to thank Etsy for sponsoring this video.
Here's the thing. I actually kind of fell in love with this room
Yeah.
as it was when we first toured the house.
Even with these curtains, babe?
It felt like Eloise at the plaza. It felt like Strawberry Shortcake. It felt like my childhood dream bedroom with all the little pink and the
Yeah.
florals. We actually had this in a nursery. I initially thought that I would for sure have a baby girl back in the day, and I actually had, how many times did we reupholster this?
Twice. We found this in an antique shop in Oceanside, California, where I was born.
We would take little romantic trips to Carlsbad, which is one of my favorite places. It literally is like neighbors to
Yeah.
Oceanside. And so we ended up going to this incredible antique shop, and I found this little miniature chair, like ottoman set.
What color was it originally?
It was mustard.
Oh, that's exactly
Mustard
right.
velvet.
Yeah.
And so I had it reupholstered because at the time I was going through IVF and we were implanting baby girls at the time. And so I had this whole idea that I for sure was having a girl, and it ended up being like fuchsia.
Yeah.
So I was like, not quite the vibes I was going with.
we
So
did
then
it
I got
again.
it reupholstered, and if I'm honest, it's still too pink.
She
I
hates
wanted
it.
it like blush, but it ended up working in this room for the time being. Fun fact, this actually was the mother-in-law's suite. And I actually thought that it felt very Parisian, very old world, but it's a new
However.
dawn, it's a new day, and we are gonna make this definitely more Mariah vibes, a little bit more modern, a little bit more Parisian apartment versus
Strawberry
I
shortcake.
did have an entire Strawberry Shortcake bedroom as a child with canopy beds and all that had very similar ruffles. Can't make these things up. I'm gonna try to find a photo from my mom, but if not, use your imagination. With that being said, we've got some really fun pieces from Etsy. I'm kind of gonna show you guys what we got. Babe, show them around.
One of my favorite apartments to go to is actually Mariah's apartment in Nashville.
So fly.
So we're kind of recreating that with like black wrought iron and like great little pieces of art. that show up.
Abstract.
Think minimalist, think modern Parisian apartment things.
I think it's kind of cool that we're taking some of the elements that she even implemented in our home in Beverly Hills
Yep.
and bringing those into her room.
Loving this too, this
And-
mirror situation.
Did you see this? Oh yeah, that mirror is so cute.
This is great. This just screams Mariah to
Yeah.
me.
Another thing we are doing is replacing her bed. We actually had this bed in our bedroom in Calabasas.
We sure did, yeah.
The old bed. And
Was that hair dye?
yeah.
Yeah, I had some hair dye on this nice cream thing and we
Linen.
could never get it off.
We could-
Would you also like to talk about your green juice?
The green juice didn't stain though. The hair dye did. We had the headboard steam cleaned and still we could see Israel's head spot.
There will never be any more hair dye stains in this house.
So it's time for Iz and I to get to work.
This is our favorite thing to do, if I'm honest. Get my hands dirty, read the manual. Let's
I've
go.
never put anything together or read a manual.
That is, why are we using words like never? I've read manuals and I've put things together in this house.
Would you consider yourself a handyman?
I would consider myself handy at finding the right man.
Why is this the
Ooh.
softest bed ever? Please look how cute this bed is. It's super chic, so awesome. We actually got this on Etsy. One of the things I love is that you can really find cool, unique things on Etsy. Don't fall asleep on the bed, I know it's comfy. Check out these linen sheets that we're about to put on the bed. They are by Sand Snow Linen. First of all, how stunning is this color? These are breathable and softened 100% linen. And it's really awesome to go on Etsy and just support small businesses. I really find that you will find unique things, but not just unique things, but things that are actually great quality and are really special. So I'm obsessed with these.
Let's make this bed.
Okay, babe, I actually need a comforter. This is a duvet. So if you can
duvet
grab me
cover,
one, there's
alright.
one right over there.
This is really nice.
I know, the material is
Yeah.
beautiful, right? Guys, fun tip about putting duvet covers on.
This is always a thing.
You know I have a system. Oh my God, this is so cute, guys. They also sent a little, it says, I am a gift, a natural handmade soap.
Oh, nice.
How cute. That smells incredible. That's super cute.
Ooh.
I used Etsy so much when we were wedding planning.
Absolutely.
Remember all that custom stuff we got, the personalized stuff?
You okay over there?
One of the things I absolutely love about Etsy is that it allows you to shop independent makers all around the world, and I'm always super proud to support that. A fun fact, you guys, Israel cannot sleep in a bed without a flat sheet. Comment below if you grew up with your bed always being made with 3 layers, fitted, flat, and duvet.
It's just a thing because if the comforter gets too hot, but you want a little bit of something where the flat sheet comes into.
Pull your leg out from under the duvet and call it a day, okay? Fun fact and new thing that I'm obsessed with that I just ordered.
Do you know you've said fun fact so many times?
Okay, maybe it's not that fun of a fact. But I just recently ordered a sheet steamer. And your sheets
like mowing your lawn.
Wrinkle-free. Wrinkle-free.
Okay.
You know how obsessed I am with that.
I know how obsessed you are about that.
Another really cool tip about keeping your sheets stunning, if you don't have a steamer, a sheet steamer, you can put your sheets in the dryer on super hot, and then the wrinkles will come out naturally.
Why am I making a bed with a suit jacket on?
Actually, it's not a suit jacket. It's a freaking tuxedo jacket.
She's like, wear black. We're gonna do this thing.
Don't you like kind of getting in the bed? The sheet is tucked.
We're talking about your system.
Oh, guys.
Foolproof system.
I have a very specific system. So the first thing is you're gonna open the duvet cover, and I will now show you how to take a corner like so. You're gonna put it inside like this. You're gonna pull and pull and pull until you get, you see this corner right here? You seen this corner that's in my hand? I'm going to grab it. Do you have your corner?
Yes.
Is your corner attached?
It is.
Okay, now we're going to do this at the corner.
Well, this is actually an amazing system.
I told you.
Look at you. Let me find out.
Fluff and zhuzh. Thank you very much.
Is this called the fluff and zhuzh?
This is, now we're gonna start fluffing and zhuzhing, like right here,
Okay.
Fluff and zhuzh and drop.
Fluff and zhuzh and drop.
Okay, that's perfect there. Guys, you know that I don't know how to tie, so I do bunny ears. Okay, fun fact. You're gonna tuck it like that.
That's what I did, look.
Okay.
I did that without being instructed.
I actually have no method to my pillow organization. It's something you just have to feel. Sometimes you walk into a room and it can feel kind of chaotic, or it can just feel like it just has a whole lot going on like this one did. I think the key to creating a room that's really chic is going minimalist vibes. Minimalist vibes is where the vibes are at. And when you're also thinking of colors, when you're being minimalist, you definitely want to go with things that are soothing. So we're talking neutrals, white, creams, beige, linens, and black. And that's definitely Mariah's vibe. So
absolutely.
Feeling good about this.
I think 4 is wrong.
I don't.
I do.
Do you want to switch them?
See that? So like this?
Let's line these up in the back. Do you feel like this is better?
I do.
I don't think that's better.
No. These should just be together like they were before.
Okay, put them together.
Okay, thank you.
So please vote below right now what you prefer. If you prefer Israel's. This looks very chic. We definitely need something on the back of this wall. And lucky for me, I got these incredible pieces from Etsy.
Love these. Yeah. This is great, right?
Yeah, I love it. Guys, am I bugging, or is this almost the exact color of the back wall?
Of the wall.
How chic is that?
That is cool.
I love that. And then obviously we also put together this amazing lamp.
I really love this lamp. I think this is my favorite piece in the room.
You literally kept saying this is so cool.
It's so cool. It's also made in Italy. It's mid-century modern. It's the only thing in the room giving us a pop of gold, like brass, right? Which also ties in with the rest of the house, right? This is like definitely a statement piece in this room. I love how designers like this take creative risks.
Yeah, and very distinct, unique pieces.
Yeah.
Now we're gonna finish building the chair. These are incredible quality, beautifully designed, and lovely craftsmanship. And it actually was not too difficult to put together. Check it out. You got your handy dandy screwdriver?
I do.
All right, so the chair is put together. Babe, let's actually move this chair that way. Another cool thing is you don't always have to hang artwork. I actually love the idea of leaning some pieces, especially if you have shelves like so, or a fireplace or a mantle. And then I know Mariah will probably put like candles and books up here. So I'm actually just stacking this along with a piece we already had. I actually think that this looks absolutely incredible.
Yeah.
And the awesome thing is you guys can actually shop my Etsy picks by hitting the link below. You can check out all my favorites on there. And guess what? I have a little exclusive for you guys. Since we did this for Mariah, I wanted to show you the awesome work that she's doing. Actually, a whole layer of the house that you've never seen. And it is the bathrooms and the kitchen downstairs. Let's go take a little walk. Okay. So it actually looks absolutely insane.
Terrible.
But it definitely is a work in progress. And Mariah actually designed the two bathrooms that you're gonna see right here. They are concrete themed, and come check them out. Okay, and then over here we've got another little sneak peek. It's just absolutely beautiful. I think she's killing it. The other one had brass fixtures, and in here we have black fixtures. Now we are going to head on over into the kitchen.
My brother did all the cabinetry work. He's an expert woodworker and from Santa Fe, New Mexico. And still a lot still to be done, but it's been pretty incredible. We demoed all of this ourselves as a family.
Oh my gosh, you've got to see this video right here of all the men in our family demoing this kitchen.
We decided to have a board meeting today.
Shout out to Papa Green, Chris Green, Papa, Jerd, Jalance, and you. You killed it.
Torn out most of this carpet already because Papa's a beast.
I'm actually super excited for this second kitchen. I just think the idea of having a second kitchen is so incredible. You can actually use it as your caterer's kitchen if you are hosting an event, but at the same time, it is right off of our pool. So I can't wait for like our whole family to be like in the swimming pool. And then we've got this huge kitchen preparing food for everyone. Literally, there's gonna be a whole pantry here, an island here, a custom table that's gonna go here, and it's gonna be absolutely stunning. So I can't wait for all of this to come together little by little. Guest rooms, a second kitchen. It's a whole lot going on, but we are so blessed and so excited. So I hope you guys stay up with us throughout this entire experience, this entire journey to pulling together Chateau Houghton. I love you guys, and we'll see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe. Again, thank you to Etsy for sponsoring this video.